Dr. Zakir Naik is a renowned Islamic scholar and orator who has gained widespread recognition for his efforts in promoting Islamic teachings and fostering interfaith understanding. Born on October 18, 1965, in Mumbai, India, Dr. Naik has become a prominent figure in the Muslim world, admired for his eloquence, vast knowledge of Islamic jurisprudence, and his ability to engage in meaningful dialogues with people of different faiths. One of Dr. Zakir Naik's most notable qualities is his dedication to spreading the message of Islam through peaceful means. He is known for his articulate speeches and debates on various topics related to Islam, comparative religion, and science. His approach is characterized by a deep understanding of the Quran and Hadith, coupled with a rational and logical presentation that appeals to a broad audience. Dr. Naik emphasizes the importance of dialogue and mutual respect, advocating for peaceful coexistence among people of different faiths. Several countries, including Saudi Arabia, Malaysia, Indonesia, and Nigeria, have honored Dr. Zakir Naik for his contributions to Islamic education and interfaith harmony. These countries have recognized his efforts in promoting a better understanding of Islam and fostering tolerance and coexistence. The recognition he has received from diverse nations underscores the universal appeal of his message and the positive impact he has had on communities around the world. In the Middle East, Dr. Naik has achieved significant milestones in promoting Islamic awareness and understanding. His lectures and seminars have attracted large audiences, and his TV programs, such as Peace TV, have reached millions of viewers across the region. His ability to articulate complex theological concepts in a relatable manner has made him a respected figure among Muslims in the Middle East and beyond. However, Dr. Zakir Naik has also faced controversy, particularly in his home country, India. In 2016, he was accused of promoting religious intolerance and inciting violence through his speeches. These allegations led to investigations by Indian authorities, and in July 2016, the Indian government declared that his NGO, the Islamic Research Foundation, IRF, had been involved in unlawful activities and was subsequently banned. Dr. Naik, who was abroad at the time, faced charges of money laundering and incitement, prompting him to seek asylum in Malaysia. The decision to ban the IRF and the allegations against Dr. Zakir Naik sparked debates on freedom of speech and religious tolerance in India. While some saw him as a controversial figure, others believed that he was unfairly targeted for his Islamic views. The situation remains a point of contention, with differing opinions on the legitimacy of the charges against him. In conclusion, Dr. Zakir Naik is a prominent Islamic scholar and speaker known for his efforts to promote understanding and tolerance among people of different faiths. While he has received accolades from various countries for his contributions to Islamic education, he has also faced controversy and legal challenges, particularly in his home country, India. The complexities surrounding his case highlight the delicate balance between freedom of expression, religious tolerance, and the responsibilities that come with influencing public opinion.